Assalamualaikum dear cadets. Hope you all are fine and safe at your houses. I am here your chemistry teacher. So let's start our chapter. That is fundamental of chemistry. It is ninth class chemistry and we will start with the definition of chemistry. What is chemistry? Define chemistry. The branch of science which deal with the composition, structure, properties and reaction of matter is called chemistry. It touches almost every aspect of our life. Importance. The development of science and technology has provided us a lot of facilities in life. For example, in pharmaceutical product, medicines and drugs, soaps, detergents, paper, plastics, paints, pigments, insecticides and pesticides, etc. also play a very important role in our daily life, and all substances are fruits of the efforts of chemists. The development of chemical industry has also generated toxic wastes, contaminated water, and polluted air around us. On the other hand, chemistry also provided knowledge and techniques to improve our health and environment and to explore and conserve the natural resources. Now, describe the various branches of chemistry. Chemistry has various branches. That is physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, industrial chemistry, nuclear chemistry, and analytical chemistry. Now we will discuss one by one each and every branch of chemistry and its applications. First of all is physical chemistry. What is physical chemistry? Physical chemistry is defined as a branch of chemistry that deal with the relationship between composition and physical properties of matter, along with the changes in them. Applications. The properties such as structure of atoms or formation of molecule, behavior of gases, liquid and solids, and the study of effect of temperature or radiation on matter, all are studied under this branch. So it is very important branch of chemistry. Next is organic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is a study of covalent compounds of carbon and hydrogen, that is hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Scope of this branch cover petroleum, petrochemicals and pharmaceutical industries. Now, inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry deal with the study of all elements and their compounds except those compounds of carbon and hydrogen that are hydrocarbon and their derivatives. It has application in every aspect of the chemical industry such as glass, cement, ceramics and metallurgy, extraction of metal from ores, that is called metallurgy. These are the applications of inorganic chemistry. Now we will come toward the biochemistry. What is biochemistry? It is a branch of chemistry in which we study the structure, composition and chemical reaction of substance found in living organism. It covers all chemical reactions taking place in living organisms. Applications of biochemistries are in the field of medicines, in the field of food science and agriculture, etc. Now, industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deal with the manufacturing of chemical compound on commercial scale. It's called industrial chemistry. Applications. It deal with the manufacturing of basic chemicals such as oxygen, chlorine, ammonia, caustic soda, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. These chemicals provide the raw material for many other industries such as fertilizers, soaps, textile, agriculture products, paints and paper, etc. Now next is nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deal with the radioactivity, nuclear process and properties, etc. The main concern of this branch is with the energy of the atom and its use in daily life. Applications. It has vast application in medical treatment like radiotherapy, preservation of food and generation of electrical power through nuclear reaction, etc. Now environmental chemistry. It is a branch of chemistry in which we study about components of environment and the effect of human activities on the environment. Now applications. Environmental chemistry is related to other branches like biology, geology, ecology, soil and water chemistry, mathematics and engineering. The knowledge of chemical process taking place in environment is necessary for its improvement and protection against pollution. Last one is analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deal with the separation and analysis of the sample to identify its component. The separation is carried out prior to qualitative and quantitative analysis. Number one is qualitative analysis, provide the identity of substance, composition of chemical species. Second one is quantitative analysis, that is determine the amount of each component present in the sample. Hence, in this branch, different techniques and instruments used for analysis are studied. Scope of this branch covers food, water, environment and clinical analysis. So, cadets, today this was our topic in which we study about branches of chemistry, definition of chemistry, and in next lecture we will study about basic definitions of matter, substance, physical properties and chemical properties.